Hi, I'm Laura with Rethunk Junk by Laura, and today's 2-minute tutorial is to show you how beautiful and easy our warm stone wash is. This one looks exactly like the name suggests, like a warm stone. Look at it going on there. It goes on so smooth. The washes are a little bit more transparent than the glazes and a little bit thinner, so they're easy to apply with a brush. We're applying it to the leg right here, just getting it in the cracks there with the brush. Now we're going to apply it to the top. We're going to go all over the top. We painted this initially with linen and did sandstone on the leather sections. Yes, you can paint leather. And now we're applying the warm stone wash, and we're just kind of getting it everywhere first, and then we go across it all the way across to make it nice and smooth. One of the things you need to remember about this is wash stands for wax alternative sealer and hardener. So once you have used this, there's no need to use any kind of sealer. You have sealed the piece as well when you're doing the beautiful, beautiful wash treatment over the top of it. So it's 2 steps in one, way easy. On the top of this one, we went all the way across and then came in and got those little bars in the center so that they look nice and smooth. Look how easy it is to rub it on the trim on the edge of something. You don't have to do the whole piece. You could just do the trim if you wanted to. It's a beautiful product and so incredibly easy to use. Give it a shot and see how beautiful you can make furniture with one of our 4 wash colors. Look how awesome! Happy rethunking!